Imagine a world without the roar of a lion, the chirping of crickets, or the splash of a dolphin. These sounds are more than just background noise, they are the symphony of life, a testament to the vibrant ecosystems that surround us. Imagine a silent forest, with no birdsong to break the stillness. The rustling of leaves, the distant call of an owl, the flutter of wings, all gone. The forest would feel eerily empty, a shadow of its former self. This is a world without animals, a world almost unimaginable to us. Picture vast plains devoid of the herds of antelope, the savannas silent without the trumpeting of elephants. The landscapes we know and love would be transformed into desolate, lifeless expanses. Animals in all their diverse forms are essential to the balance of our planet. They contribute to the health of ecosystems, pollinate plants, control pests, and even help in the decomposition process. Their roles are varied and vital. They are not just creatures we share this earth with. They are vital components of a complex web of life that sustains us all. From the tiniest insects like bees that pollinate our crops and flowers, to ants that aerate the soil and recycle nutrients, to the largest whales, which play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem by helping to regulate the population of smaller marine creatures, and even contributing to the health of phytoplankton, which produce much of the Earth's oxygen. Each animal plays a unique role in the intricate tapestry of nature. Predators keep prey populations in check, herbivores maintain the vegetation, and scavengers clean up the remains. This delicate balance ensures the survival of countless species, including our own. Their absence would leave a void, a silence that would resonate through every aspect of our lives. The loss of biodiversity would disrupt ecosystems, leading to unforeseen consequences that could affect food security, climate stability, and even human health. What would our world truly be like without them? It would be a world stripped of its wonder, its beauty, and its vitality. A world where the magic of nature is replaced by a haunting silence, a reminder of what we have lost. Let us cherish and protect the incredible diversity of life that shares our planet, for their survival is intricately linked to our own. Animals are integral to the delicate balance of ecosystems around the globe. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each creature plays a unique role in maintaining the health and stability of their environment. The intricate connections between species form a web of life that is both beautiful and fragile. They are connected in a complex web of relationships, each species dependent on others for survival. Consider the humblebee. This small insect might seem insignificant, but its role in the ecosystem is monumental. Bees are responsible for pollinating a vast majority of the plants we rely on for food. These buzzing insects, often overlooked, are essential pollinators. Without their tireless work, many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we consume daily would not exist. The simple act of a bee transferring pollen from one flower to another is a cornerstone of agricultural productivity. They transfer pollen from flower to flower, enabling plants to reproduce and bear fruit. This process not only supports the growth of crops but also sustains wild plant populations, which in turn provide food and habitat for other wildlife. Without bees, our food supply would be drastically impacted. The absence of these pollinators would lead to a significant decline in crop yields, affecting everything from apples to almonds. Farmers would struggle to produce enough food, leading to shortages and higher prices. Predators, often viewed negatively, play a crucial role in regulating prey populations. These apex animals ensure that herbivore numbers do not swell to unsustainable levels, which could otherwise lead to overgrazing and habitat destruction. Wolves, for example, keep deer numbers in check, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the health of forests. By controlling the population of herbivores, predators help maintain the balance of plant and animal life, promoting biodiversity and ecosystem resilience. The disappearance of even a single species can trigger a domino effect, disrupting the entire ecosystem. When one species is removed, the intricate web of relationships is altered, leading to unforeseen consequences that can ripple through the environment, affecting countless other species. Conservation efforts are crucial in preserving this delicate balance. Protecting endangered species, restoring habitats, and promoting biodiversity are essential steps in ensuring the health and stability of our planet's ecosystems. By understanding and respecting the interconnectedness of life, we can work towards a sustainable future for all living beings. The food chain, a fundamental concept in ecology, illustrates the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Energy flows from one organism to another, beginning with producers like plants and culminating in apex predators. Without animals, this chain would collapse. Herbivores dependent on plants for sustenance would vanish. Carnivores relying on herbivores as prey would follow suit. The impact would be felt at every level, leading to ecosystem instability and widespread extinction. Even scavengers, which play a vital role in breaking down organic matter, would disappear. Their absence would disrupt the natural decomposition process, leading to a buildup of waste and disease. The disappearance of animals would have profound consequences for humankind. Our dependence on animals extends far beyond the food we consume. Agriculture, the backbone of our civilization, relies heavily on animals. Livestock provide us with meat, dairy products and leather. Even crops depend on animal pollinators and the natural fertilization provided by animal manure. Beyond agriculture, animals have enriched our cultures for millennia. They appear in our myths, legends and art, inspiring our creativity and shaping our understanding of the world. A world without animals would be a world devoid of much of its beauty, wonder and cultural richness. The environment itself would undergo dramatic transformations in the absence of animals. Plant life, though seemingly unaffected, would experience significant changes. Without herbivores to control their growth, certain plant species would proliferate unchecked, outcompeting others and leading to a decrease in biodiversity. The natural processes of seed dispersal and germination, often facilitated by animals, would be disrupted. Forests would become denser, with fewer opportunities for new growth. The delicate balance of nature would be thrown into disarray, leading to unpredictable and potentially catastrophic consequences. Section 6. A world of flowers. Some might imagine a world without animals as a paradise for plant life. The idea of endless fields of flowers and lush greenery, untouched by grazing herbivores, paints a picture of an idyllic, serene landscape. Without grazing herbivores, wouldn't plants flourish and cover the earth in a vibrant tapestry of green? It seems logical to think that without animals eating them, plants would grow unchecked, creating a verdant paradise. While it's true that some plant species might experience a population boom, the reality is more complex. Plants and animals have evolved together, creating a delicate balance in ecosystems. The overall impact would be far from idyllic. Without animals to help control plant populations, certain species would dominate, leading to overgrowth and competition for resources. Without the natural checks and balances provided by animals, ecosystems would become unbalanced. Invasive species could take over, crowding out native plants and reducing biodiversity. The overabundance of certain plants would lead to competition for resources, such as sunlight, water, and nutrients. This intense competition would stress plants, making them more susceptible to diseases and pests. Ultimately, this would harm the overall health and diversity of plant life. Instead of a thriving paradise, we might see landscapes filled with struggling, unhealthy plants. The intricate relationships between plants and animals are essential for maintaining a healthy and vibrant planet. Pollinators like bees and butterflies, for example, play a crucial role in the reproduction of many plants. Without them, many flowering plants would fail to reproduce, leading to a decline in plant diversity. In conclusion, a world without animals would not be the paradise some might imagine. The balance between plant and animal life is vital for the health of our ecosystems. It's this balance that ensures the diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Section 7. The ripple effect. The consequences of a world without animals would extend far beyond the immediate impacts on ecosystems and human life. Like ripples in a pond, the effects would spread, touching every aspect of our planet. Climate change, already a pressing issue, could be exacerbated. Animals play a crucial role in carbon sequestration, the process of capturing and storing atmospheric carbon dioxide. The loss of biodiversity would weaken the resilience of ecosystems, making them more susceptible to disease and collapse. This, in turn, would impact human societies, leading to food shortages, economic instability, and social unrest. Section 8. The value of our neighbors. The hypothetical scenario of a world without animals serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. It highlights the crucial role animals play in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet. We often take for granted the services animals provide, from pollination to pest control to nutrient cycling. Their presence enriches our lives in countless ways, both tangible and intangible. It is our responsibility to protect animals and their habitats, not just for their sake but for our own survival and well-being. Section 9. A future worth protecting. A world without animals is a world we must strive to avoid. It is a world devoid of the beauty, wonder, and diversity that make our planet so unique. By understanding the vital role animals play in our lives and the intricate web of life that connects us all, we can make informed choices that ensure a future where both humanity and wildlife can thrive. Let us work together to create a world where the roar of a lion, the chirping of crickets, and the splash of a dolphin continue to resonate for generations to come.